human being is an amazing creature. His heart loves. The brain processes information more than any most powerful computer. The person lives and does not give a thought what complicated processes occur in his organism. Let's glance inside of an organism, more precisely in its cell. Exactly here, all and begins. Here are emerging diseases and the cure source here. Dolicol has been discovered. This substance, which is part of the cells, it is involved in building the most important receptor structures which are responsible for interaction of cells and recognition of another. Dolicol deficiency leads to cell death. Lack of dolicols is observed at chronic inflammatory diseases, a multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, after severe brain injuries and strokes, at oncology and other pathological conditions. Researchers believe a universal marker of aging dolicol has been discovered. Indeed, premature aging is also associated with a lack of dolihola. Research dolicol and attempts to replace it with other natural compound has been the rule for decades. It is difficult to underestimate the importance of these scientific researches. And the discovery was made. Polyprenols. Polyprenol is a unique transport lipid, the forerunner of the dolicol. It protects the cell membranes, participates in the opposition and the physiological tissue repair. Back in the 1990s, polyprenols founded in Japan and the United States through the processing of pork liver. However, embed them in production, it was not possible. 1 gram polyprenols turned out of 2 tons of pork liver. And only Tom's and nowhere else in the world can develop in polyprenols industrial scale from green Siberian fir. The most ancient plant known surprising capacity to restoration. Polyprenol can replace dolicol in the human body without rejection or allergic reactions. So it can give new life to human cells and get rid of many diseases and present you youthness. Artlife company today produces products based on polyprenols. Oleopren. Oleopren. These preparations in the convenient form, easy to use. They perform an essential function. They restore the affected cells and protect healthy. They contribute to the formation of new cells. So it does not only protect from diseases, but they also return us youth, and that youth at the cellular level. Oleopren stand on guard, protecting vital bodies of the person. That's why it has been released Oleopren Cardio, Nero and Gepa. Restoring work of the heart, brain and liver. A developed line was focuses on the 3 most important components. This is the most loaded down with our bodies is the liver. It is the central nervous system and cardiovascular system, in particular the heart. Numerous researchers proved and confirmed very expressed efficiency and given the chance to adapt their individual health. For example, after a heart attack, where there is a speech not for days or hours and for minutes when it is necessary to interrupt pathological process and restore functional activity of the heart muscle. For the first time, we have started talking about management of a reparation, regeneration. Oleopren Cardio. It is an effective complex on the basis of polyprenols and cardioprotector. It supports an organism in conditions of intensive loads on cardiovascular system, restore membranes of cells of a myocardium and vascular walls, improve work of a cardiac muscle, normalize a level of cholesterol, a preventive maintenance of a heart attack of a myocardium, and provide protection from the negative effects of free radicals. Oleopren Neuro. This combination of polyprenols from Nero protect complex memory plus, a key component of cell membranes in the brain. Oleopren Neuro restores your cellular membrane of neurons, strengthens activities of the brain, improves memory and concentration of attention, makes the stress resistant, and improves endurance, physical and mental burden. Oleopren Gepa combined for the first time, has united all the advanced components for restore and correction of the liver. It ensures the recovery of liver cell structure, reduction of inflammatory processes in the liver, increased resistance to toxins in liver and other unfavorable factors, cleans the liver from toxic substances, improves the condition of the liver after infection. Many have already tried out Oleopren and have seen the effectiveness. I recommend Oleopren Gepa. After 3 weeks, all indicators have improved by 30%. Oleopren Cardio, Oleopren Gepa. Doctors were surprised.
Thank you so much for the Oleopren Nero. The result felt on the 3rd day. Thank you again. Oleopren, especially Oleopren Gepa, is not just a product. I believed in it. My aunt was sick with cancer and has undergone 8 chemotherapy treatments every 2 weeks. She has not had any hair fall.
It has led more than 40 researchers which have confirmed medical properties of polyprenols. It has registered more than 30 patents on application polyprenols for preventive maintenance and treatment of various pathology. Try preparations in a series of Oleopren and you will feel the results. Especially now it is simple. Development of technologies of polyprenols, development of formulas, testing, production, all of this has already been done. And now you can just take a pill and Oleopren will protect you. Oleopren is a new level of protection.